Hello friends, I am Dr. Anand Patel, consultant gynecologist, advanced endoscopic surgeon and IVF specialist working in Motherhood Women's and Childcare Hospital since almost 12 years. After practicing in the field of gynecology almost for the 15 years, I have noticed a lot of newcomers doctors and a lot of practicing doctors, they are struggling with their practices in the field of infertility, laparoscopy and sonography. So idea came into the mind in our team where actually now it is time to give back to the society. So that's why this idea came of to starting a training center with very few centers in India where they actually gives a hands-on training in the field of laparoscopy, infertility and sonography. Here we are training doctors with the hands-on courses where they can actually perform the surgeries and the procedures under the guidance, and they can actually get a benefit in their future practices and enhance their practice. So in that way, Motherhood Training Center is a unique.